Hello everyone, welcome back to Work of Art. Happy to see you guys back. It's early in the morning. I was up late last night and I'm up really early. I'm going to go to a seminar today with Estée Lauder. And so one of the things we do in our regimens when we have our customers, we do like mini facials. And this is actually going to be a power nap facial, so it's going to be a little bit different. And I'll go ahead and get started with that and just show you how nice it is to get your skin hydrated and cleansed and smoothed and prepared for the day. So first thing I'm going to use is our Advanced, with the exact same on this one, Advanced Night Micro Cleansing Balm. And it starts off as a kind of a solid, like a solid little jar like this. And as you pick it up from your fingers, a little extra here. You want to put that on dry skin because it'll go in there, and it's very good at detoxing the skin, smoothing out, actually a little bit more, I think. There we go. Actually works on detoxing the skin, cleansing the skin of impurities, of things that you might not have gotten. And a lot of times this is a nighttime thing you could do, but I'm doing it in the morning because it's been a long day, long night. My dogs get me up super early and I don't get the best sleep sometimes. So the smell it's a really amazing, yummy, warm kind of smell. It's like chamomile and lavender and some other essences in there to make it smell really fresh and smooth and soft and all that. So beautiful on the skin and removes makeup beautifully. I'm going to take some cotton rounds and just wipe upper motions. It feels really nice and cool. And I'll flip it around. Just do it one more time just in case. Yeah, that just feels really refreshing and cool, and skin feels super soft. And then we're going to do our very famous Advanced Night Repair. This is a serum that's been around for many years, and it's won so many awards and has so many different patents. It's an incredible product. I'm going to use 5 drops. And this prepares your skin actually for being out in the elements, and also while you're sleeping. Estée Lauder did a sleep study so many years ago and found that we get our best repair and results while we're sleeping. Also, we have more collagen production while we're sleeping, which is also a cool thing. So you really want to get your good sleep. And then for my moisturizer, I'm going to use an SPF 15 because I really like to have some sunscreen today. And then I also just love the scent of this one. It's just a really pretty, it's like a floral, it's a really soft floral scent. And I don't do a lot of scents and fragrance in skincare mostly, but this one really is a nice one. So I do love this one, and it's for firming and lifting. And there's aromatherapy type elements to this as well, so it smells good. If you're ever stressed out and you need to kind of calm down, this is a really good way to go. And I'll benefit. This one has a little bit of a sheen to it, a little bit of a kind of a glow to the skin, so it helps you look a little bit brighter and smoother. Actually, I missed one step. I brought my macro essence. I should have gone in first. It's taller in my lineup, so I had to move it over a little bit to not block the camera. And so this is the micro essence. This is a strengthening lotion, and you just kind of press into the skin. Helps things penetrate into the skin, helps things soak into the skin deeper. Hopefully this will still work since I messed up. It's been really, really dry here. So dry that my hair was completely staticky and crazy. And every time I touch the door or anything else with metal, I keep getting zapped with sparks because of how dry it is. So this is a nice way to keep your skin super, super hydrated. And then I have my eye matrix around the eye area. And this is a beautiful product. Just could go around the orbital bone here. I'm going to go with both eyes actually really quick here. And then whatever is not absorbed in the skin already, just tap it in place. Tapping is a really good way to help product penetrate into the skin. There's actually been studies on this, on the action of tapping onto skin, and somehow your body goes, oh, I want to take some of that in there. So just really soft and hydrated. And then for my foundation, I'm going to go ahead and go with my Re-Nutriv foundation. This is in soft ivory. I just do a little dab. This is a creamy one, and when it's really dry out, my skin does a lot better with something very, very hydrating. So a quick little easy way to kind of get your skin hydrated and have a nice little moment where you can be peaceful and quiet. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye-bye.